Hey guys, welcome back to my video, and in this tutorial we're going to be taking a look at an easy strumming pattern you guys can learn. And by the end of this video, I guarantee you guys will be able to learn a song that I will teach you. So get your guitars tuned and let's head on to the tutorial. Have you guys tuned your guitar? Alright, let's get into the tutorial. The song we're going to be doing today is Boulevard of Broken Dreams by Green Day. Now this song has really easy chords and the strumming pattern is really easy too, so I bet you guys will be able to learn this within minutes. Not only will this song be able to help you guys improve in the guitar, but this will also help you guys improve in chord changing, which is really vital for playing the guitar. And now we're going to be heading on to the strumming pattern. See you guys there. Alright, onto the strumming pattern. Our strumming pattern will be down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down. Alright? As you can see, it's really easy and it's really steady. I bet you guys will be able to play this within seconds. This strumming pattern is actually used for a lot of different genres, and we're going to be using it for the song just because of that. So get your guitar, let's try to do this together, alright? We're going slow first. I'm going to be playing on an E minor chord. Alright? So let's go slow. So in 3, 2, 1. Alright, you guys are doing great so far. We're going to do it one more time, alright? Slow and steady. Alright, so in 3, 2, 1. Alright, so let's speed it up a little bit. So we're going a little bit faster. Now I'll show you guys how it'll be a little bit faster. So here it is. Now it's not that much faster, so I bet you guys will be able to do this. Alright, so let's do it together in 3, 2, 1, go. We're going to be doing it one more time. In 3, 2, 1, go. Alright, let's get to the actual beat of the song. We're going to be going a little bit faster than that, but not too much. Alright, so in 3, 2, 1, go. Alright, you guys got that. You're amazing. Alright, so we're going to be doing one more time and then we're going to be going to the tutorial of the song. Alright? In 3, 2, 1. Alright, so let's head over to the song. Our chord progression for the song is E minor, G, D, and A. So it's clean and simple. There's no bar chords in the song. I mean, there is a bar chord, but we're not going to be taking a look at that today. We're only going to be taking a look at the verse. All right. Let's practice this together. In 3, 2, 1, go. So we're just gonna do it with one strums for now. So in 3, 2, 1, go. Alright, you guys did great. Now let's try to do it with the strumming pattern, but we'll do it really slowly, alright? And then we're just gonna gradually increase our speed. Right? In 3, 2, 1, go. Alright, we're gonna do that one more time. You guys are doing so great, alright? So in 3, 2, 1, go. Alright, let's speed up things a little bit, alright? Let's go in 3, 2, 1, go. Alright, you guys did a great job. We're going to be doing that one more time, and then we'll go to the actual beat of the song. In 3, 2, 1, go. Alright, let's get to the hard part. We're going to be going a little bit faster than that, alright? And it might take you a couple of tries, but I believe you guys will be able to do it. So in 3, 2, 1, go. Alright, we're gonna do that one more time, alright? In 3, 2, 1, go. You guys are doing great so far. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you guys like this video, please leave this video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and hit that notification button so you guys will be notified for any future videos that I'll be doing. If you guys need any resources such as lyrics and chords for your praise and worship band, please visit my website soundmethod.com. I'll leave a link in the description so you guys will be able to visit really quickly. So I'll see you guys in the next tutorial.